never believe that anguish or anxious cares, nor heavy sighs, nor lamentings, nor weepings, nor great travails, nor strong excessive torments, nor long desires, little sleepings or wakings have power to slay any man, nor that any man can die through love. For I do not die, and my suffering is so heavy that I do not believe Lord Andrew ever died of it. I do not die. I do not die. For never did any lover or any penitent endure such ill, such sorrow, such burning, as I have suffered more than 5 full years for her, for whom loving and pleading for mercy avail me nothing, not even that she not hate me, her noble body, because I dare to have the boldness to love her. And I would rather be hers than without her the whole world be all mine. For so sweet is to me the desiring of her, more than from another the lying with and kissing, that I stay here a poor soldier and leave my land and many a noble affair. For without her I cannot become rich, but if it pleased her she could enrich me. Whatever rich joy of her love God give me, King Philip would then hold his feet from me. So true is her worth and righteous, and her gay body honored and fine and dear, that whoever spoke of it would seem boastful. For just as the sea gathers all water, she knows how to retain and choose all good worth. And in all time a man could not tell the great beauty, nor write in any brief of her bright body more than rose or snow. Lady, your liege man of Sunday homage, and your humble servant in all honors, and your loyal and true friend, whom in good loving you shall never find equal. I beg you, by God, constrained with great desire, that you no longer make him languish in desiring. For better is an honored death and brief than long desiring and pain strong and heavy. I beg you. Lady, by God, do not believe slanderers, nor let the soothsayer do me harm with you. For I am none of those fickle lovers who go boasting, whom too much talking harms. Rather, I will so hide and conceal my heart, that even if I die because I see and gaze on you not, through the false destroyers worse than Canaanians, I am torn from you and moved towards other truces. Good lady, for you I lament and sigh, and when I must part from you I do not prize the whole county of Anjou one egg. Rather I would go to Rome on pilgrimage for your love. Noble, gentle King of Aragon, great desire, I have to see you bravely wield your arms, for neither Christian, Saracen, nor Jew can carry out such noble affairs, good and swift. The Countess of Soubirets knows how to speak and do pleasure, so one must not hold back from her praise. God has so honored her that all worth is worthy, but next to my lady,